2022 Honda Pilot. With less than 37,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features. Cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, rear air conditioning. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.